A good EDC knife quickly establishes its value, whether it is being used in the wild or simply going about daily tasks. This is the one tool you'll instinctively go for, whether you're cutting cord or opening a difficult item. The greatest pocket knives that can withstand the elements and be carried with you every day will be discussed in this video. Have fun! This is the Spyderco Dragonfly 2, a compact folding pocket knife that delivers far more than its size suggests. Designed for precision and everyday reliability, it features a full flat ground VG10 blade that offers excellent cutting performance and easy maintenance. The textured handle and ergonomic finger choil provide a secure, non-slip grip, making it comfortable for hands of any size. Its ambidextrous back lock mechanism and reversible tip-up carry clip make it equally convenient for left or right-handed users. Measuring 5.56 inches open and 3.31 inches closed, the Dragonfly 2 perfectly balances portability and power. With Spyderco's signature craftsmanship, this small but mighty knife proves that great performance can come in a truly pocket-sized design. Now, meet the Buck 838 Deploy, a premium everyday carry knife built for speed, strength, and precision. It features a 3.4-inch 154 cm stainless steel blade, known for outstanding edge retention and durability. The blade is finished with a tungsten Cerakote coating, offering excellent resistance to corrosion and wear. Designed for rapid action, the Deploy's quick-release mechanism and recessed push button ensure smooth, reliable opening even under pressure. Its machined aluminum handle, coated in burnt bronze Cerakote, provides both style and a secure grip. A removable deep carry pocket clip keeps it discreet and easy to access, while an integrated safety switch adds confidence in any environment. Compact, rugged, and built to perform, the Buck 838 Deploy is a true EDC powerhouse. The ANVA 200 is a premium EDC knife built for strength, style, and everyday reliability. It features a black DLC-coated blade crafted from Sleipner steel, delivering outstanding toughness and edge retention. A striking red thumb stud with a glow-in-the-dark Lumidot inlay adds both flair and functionality, making it easy to locate even in low light. The textured black G10 handle provides a secure, comfortable grip for confident handling in any condition. Equipped with an ambidextrous A-lock mechanism, the A200 offers smooth one-handed operation for both left and right-handed users. A reversible, tip-up pocket clip ensures easy and discreet carry. Measuring 8.25 inches overall with a 3.5-inch blade, the ANVA 200 perfectly balances portability, performance, and precision craftsmanship. Next up, we have the remarkable Civivi Tanto Elementum. Designed to exude confidence and deliver exceptional performance, this blade is tailor-made for low-profile cutting tasks. Crafted from the finest Damascus steel, renowned for its outstanding edge retention and razor sharpness, it effortlessly tackles any challenge that comes its way. The sleek black stone wash finish not only adds a touch of sophistication, but also provides effective rust prevention, ensuring enduring reliability. Elevating its allure, the handle options extend beyond copper, offering enticing choices like rich dark brown Marta, timeless brass, and elegant copper. Equipped with a convenient lanyard hole and pocket clip, this versatile companion is ready to accompany you wherever you go. You may have come across several pocket knives, but the Summit by Ridge stands out from the rest. With its sleek and contemporary design, this exceptional blade fits effortlessly into your pocket. Weighing under 2.9 ounces, this knife boasts a premium build, available in either anodized aerospace-grade aluminum or carbon fiber handles. What's more, these handles come in a variety of stylish colors, adding a touch of coolness to your grip. The high-carbon steel blade utilized in this masterpiece ensures unparalleled strength and durability, capable of tackling a wide range of tasks. Additionally, the functional clip enables convenient everyday carry, whether it's in your pocket or securely fastened to your backpack. If a lightweight knife is what you seek, look no further than the Summit by Ridge. Now, here is the Benchmade 533BK2 Mini Bugout, a compact yet formidable pocket knife that surpasses expectations. Weighing just ½ ounces, it combines lightweight design with exceptional performance. Its mini DLC-coated drop-point blade made from CPMS 30V stainless steel ensures durability and precision cutting with a black titanium thumb stud opener and bronze washers for the pivot. The knife opens smoothly. The textured handle scales over nested steel liners provide a secure grip, while the ambidextrous axis lock mechanism guarantees safe and effortless use. The knife also features a reversible deep carry pocket clip and an oversized lanyard hole, enhancing its versatility and ease of carry. Regarding pocket knives, the WE Quixotic is an exceptional folding knife that showcases a bead-blasted draw-point blade crafted from CPM 20CV steel. This blade is renowned for its durability and sharpness. With a flipper opener featuring a smooth bearing pivot, this knife ensures quick and effortless deployment. On top of that, the titanium handle adds a touch of elegance and strength to the design, while the titanium frame lock mechanism guarantees secure and reliable usage. Additionally, the Quixotic comes with a pocket clip for convenient tip-up carry. Available in 3 distinctive models, each with its unique finish, this knife offers versatility and style. With a blade length of 3.45 inches, the WE Quixotic is a true testament to precision and craftsmanship. Now, meet the Polar 3 from none other than CRKT. This pocket knife maintains a low profile and unassuming appearance when stored away, but reveals its true potential when put to use. The IKBS ball-bearing pivot ensures a smooth deployment of the blade, while the high-carbon stainless steel blade is easy to sharpen and maintains a sharp edge. Opening the knife with one hand is effortless thanks to the thumb slot. The G10 handle combined with stainless steel provides durability and strength, ensuring longevity and reliability. In addition, its frame lock with its thick lock bar enhances the knife's overall strength and security. Finally, the pocket clip allows for secure and convenient carry, making the CRKT3 a dependable companion anywhere. The Hogue EX02 is a precision-built and finely crafted knife manufactured in the USA by Hogue Incorporated. Its tank-like appearance exudes power and presence while maintaining functionality. The blade is constructed from 154 cm stainless steel, which undergoes cryogenic heat treatment and handing to achieve a mirrored finish resulting in exceptional cutting performance. The knife boasts a deep finger groove and strategically placed jimping along the edges, ensuring a reliable grip. Additionally, the pointed end of the handle serves as an impact tool, enhancing one-handed deployment capabilities. Available in Tonto or spear point profiles, the blade measures either 3.375 or 3.75 inches in length, featuring a flat grind. Here we have the Big Lighter 2, a versatile EDC knife that combines the durability of N690 steel with a lightweight and aesthetically pleasing carbon fiber handle. With its sharp blade and convenient thumb stud, the knife is designed for effortless use. The carbon fiber handle not only adds to its beauty, but also reduces the overall weight of the knife, making it comfortable to carry. In response to public demand, the clip of the Big Lighter 2 has been modified to provide a deep carry option. This means that the knife can sit lower in your pocket, offering better concealment and convenience. Whether you need to open packages, strip wire, or remove splinters, it does all precisely. That brings an end to our ranking of the top 10 EDC knives. We appreciate you viewing our video. If you think this video is useful, please like, comment, and share it with your friends. If you would like to see more videos like this in your feed, please subscribe to our channel.